Merlin, president of Merlin Auto Group. What we're looking at here is probably one of my favorite 360s we've ever had. This is a 2003 F360 Coupe. Most people think 360s are only coupes or spiders. This one actually has a factory installed sunroof. Very rare option, said to be one of 3 in this color combination, yellow black with a factory sunroof. This is a documented one-owner vehicle with service history going all the way back to 2003, showing meticulous maintenance at every interval. The car's well equipped with factory shields, modular wheels, electric seats, Daytona seats. Really an incredible example and a great opportunity to get a truly unique and rare F360 at a great value.